Across the ward, we have a vast range of different people, different communities, facing different challenges. And for a council to do its job and truly represent the entirety of the area, we need to have people who represent those communities.
I think it's very important that we have diversity in local council. We need people from every walks of life, especially in the local government, to represent the people that is from all backgrounds.
Diversity comes in all shapes and forms. Same-sex couples, transgender, gender neutral, pansexual. There are so many different terms for people who just want to be able to live life as they want it and to change society for their benefit and others. As a gay woman who's been married for 35 years, Conway Council, as soon as I went in there was no issue at all, absolutely no issue. And that's the first environment I've ever come into where there was never any, I see, well, that doesn't matter. No, it shouldn't matter, should it?
I thought it would be a sticking point that I lived in a housing association estate. I thought maybe some people wouldn't want to vote for me because of that. It was actually the opposite. I think people see that I'm down to earth. They know that I'm in the community. They see me around and about. They know that I've experienced a lot of the hardships that they might be coming to me with. We've certainly got more females standing now, and there's certainly a lot more younger people standing now and getting elected, and I think we can see that in Conway this year. When you look around the chamber, there's certainly a lot more diversity this year than I've seen in previous years, so I think that's a really positive step forward.
Fel un o'r cynghorwyr ianga ar y cyngor, dwi'n meddwl bod hi'n bwysig bod lleisiau pobl ifanc yn cael eu glywed ac yn rhan o'r broses o wneud penderfyniadau. Mae'r penderfyniadau mae cynghorau'n gwneud, mae'r penderfyniadau da ni fel cynghorwyr yn gwneud yn effeithio ar bywydau pobl yma yng Nghonwy, gan gynnwys bywydau pobl ifanc. Felly mae'n bwysig bod nhw'n rhan o'r broses ac yn rhan o'r ddadl.
I think young people have an incredibly important part to play in the future of the council. I think there's a lot of people that have an image of a councillor being an older, grey-haired male, and that isn't reflective of the society that we have. And I think the only way you challenge that is by having more young people from a cross-section of our society who put themselves forward to stand in these elections and to fulfil these roles.
I personally tried encouraging people to join. Lack of acceptance is probably that's the perception people have, and they don't come forward in case they don't get accepted. The key to it is persevering, and that's what the message I like to convey to the ethnic minority group. Come forward. If you don't succeed first time, I'm sure you will, but you have to be at it.
I think we do need to be reaching out to people in our ethnic communities and trying to encourage them to stand for county council. And just normal, everyday people that live a normal life, that just want to do the best for their community, because they are the people that know the communities best at the end of the day.
Diversity is so important. You've got so many people with so many different stories who fought so much to be who they are. And they can change so much for people in society in such a positive way.